they're called baby's breath basically, but the proper name for it is gypsophila. These are like the white little buds. I really like them. I really want to get the coloured ones next time. And then these are just some mixed roses bouquet, and it's got, I really like these light roses, but I also like the dark ones. It's not too red, it's like a fuchsia maybe. I don't know if it shows up okay on camera, but I thought I'd get some, oh sorry, Christmas in the way. But yeah, I thought I'd get some flowers. It's the first time to get flowers actually since moving in. And then I went to IKEA the other day and I got this, just a simple vase. I've been using drinking glasses, but they're really unstable because the flowers are quite heavy at the top, so I thought I'd get like a proper vase, and it's got a more stable sort of bottom, so hopefully that works. So we're gonna start. So I've been meaning to do flower arrangement classes, but for now this will have to do, they're really expensive. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this one, cut the kind of the flower food sachet off, because we're going to keep that for later. I usually add half of this packet for the first time, and then I kind of replenish it after the first time. But yeah, so we've got the roses, and then just going to lay this bouquet out. It was quite hard transporting it back home because flowers are always quite hard to transport, but they're good. So look at how beautiful they are. Look, they're so nice. Okay, so I'm gonna just show you guys like a close up of them. Anyway. Oh, skate. 哦，真的，在这边。We're taking the boat to Greenwich. It's the first time taking an Uber boat, so we'll see how it goes. See the London Eye. Oh my god, the thing is moving. It is moving.
So why is the boat not on Osh and on Uber Maps? Oh, I freaked out. I was like, oh my gosh.
Oh, it looks so good. Hi guys.
Good job. Hop back in here, okay?
Look at that. It's giving, isn't it?
Arrived finally in Greenwich. If the weather was, if there was more sun, it would be even better. So nice. I'm loving it.
It's got black pudding as well.
No, sorry.
Oh wait. I didn't think you could do it.
The guy is doing it, look at that.
Oh,
Wow.
gosh, you better not fall off.
No, please don't roll back down. That's not.
Oh,
Look,
slay.
you commit, you commit.
That's fine. No Russian knife.
It's so nice. Like, guys, what? Slay. This is such a view.
The time of any place or country is calculated